So today our topic is atomic transactions in the service-oriented architecture. So WS atomic transaction is a protocol for managing atomic transactions between distribute applications, transaction managers, resource managers. An atomic transaction is a single irreducible component of a classic transaction. Whenever you are going to make any online purchase or any business applications, so there for that there are many different applications that can collaborate or that can work with an interaction, and that interaction can be done by using your message passing. So in order to reduce or in order to stop the conflict in between these different multiple applications, atomic transactions is very important. So multiple atomic transaction within most classical transactions, for example, when a consumer makes a retail purchase using a credit card, so several steps he followed: ringing up the, for example, ringing up the sale, swiping the card through a reader, verify the and validate the account associated with the card, then ensure that the account has a sufficient availability or not. Each of these components is an atomic transaction, but in combination, they constitute a classic transaction. So, WS80 defines how the transactions are carried out based on coordination, WS transaction, and their information exchange in the business process. So, there are three agreement protocols involved in this atomic transaction. These are volatile two-phase commit, durable 2PC, a WS transaction specification is an activity of a web service interportability organization. So, for the background of these atomic transactions, there are two different terms is very important. These terms are service orchestration and second one is service choreography. So service orchestration represents a single centralized executable business process that coordinates the interaction among different services. Orchestration is responsible for invoking and combining the services. So here is a composite service which is shown in this particular figure. It is like a hub. All the multiple services are able to exchange their information through this centralized approach. This is in the service orchestration. And the technology used for this information exchange are XML, SOAP, and WSDL. Then a different terms used in the atomic transaction is service or choreography. So as a service orchestration, we see that it is based on a centralized hub. Here, each and every services when wants to communicate with each other, they can directly communicate in a two-way communication. So service choreography is a global description of the participating services which is defined by exchange of messages, rule of interaction, agreements between two or more endpoints. So choreography employs a decentralized approach of service composition, while orchestration is a composite service of approach of service composition. So these two terms, that is service orchestration and service choreography, both are very useful in handling the atomic transaction in service oriented architecture.